Hello, Nick here from Team Hutchinson. From 2017 Ford Everest, not Escape, Everest Titanium. This is a top of the line model, absolutely bursting at the seams with features and gadgets. So we'll take a quick walk around and show off some of the features of this vehicle. Front parking sensors, you can see them just sitting there on the front. We've got 20-inch factory alloy wheels with tyre pressure monitoring system, an adaptive suspension control, which I'll show you when we jump in. 2-lay roof racks. Side steps. This vehicle also features the same 3.2 common rail turbo diesel engine found in the Ranger, but produces 143 kilowatts of power and 470 newton meters of torque. So same amount of torque, but just a little bit less power. On the inside, beautiful, nice soft touch materials, really sharp looking. Full electric adjustment on the front two seats, full leather as well. Floor mats included and light illuminated Everest scuff plates, as well as a hard scuff plate on the side there. Driver, passenger and side airbags. Large opening moonroof as well. This vehicle has been mostly driven by our dealer principal. He's been driving it for the majority of the time it's been here. Low Ks, of course. ISOFIX available on the rear seats. The ability to control the air conditioning in the rear as well as 230 and 12 volt outlets. 7-seater as well, so if we pull the seats forward, we have the third row seats available, which is electrically done. So if I come round to the back, I can show you how that works as well. Tow bar and wiring all fitted from factory, rated to 3 tonne. Reversing sensors and reversing camera, as well as a power tailgate. And very easy to adjust these seats here. You just press the button on the side and the seats are all electric. You can have one up, one down, all up to you. Electric tailgate back down. Jump in the driver's seat and start the vehicle. So 2 full sets of keys will be available with this vehicle at time of purchase. Right now the kilometres are sitting at 1,758. If I turn it on, you'll see we've got 2 digital screens on either side of that one speedo cluster. Electrically assisted steering, lane departure warning, forward crash alert. We've got radar cruise control, so we've got that's on there as well. The controls are there to use that. Now what this does is we set the speed like we do with normal cruise control, but then the adaptive part is we can set the car lengths from the vehicle in front. Now this vehicle will sense a car in front, so say we're setting into 105 kilometers an hour on the motorway. You're starting to approach a car in front that's traveling a little bit slower. This vehicle will pick up that car and it will slow down to maintain that following distance that we've set. Now when that vehicle pulls away, again, this vehicle will speed up to the desired speed we have. 2 screens, left hand side is an extension of our Sync 3 screen here in the middle, the touch screen, entertainment, navigation, phone. We can dial people, see what our next direction is, or change the radio settings on there. Speedometer and trip computer are here located on the other side. This will show us all our other stuff there. So we've got our electric rev counter, off-road compasses and everything. It's all on there. Sync 3. Now this system is great, and as you see on the other side, we have our voice activation control here. We can just ask the vehicle, we can tell the vehicle I'm hungry, and it will find a list of restaurants nearby that we can potentially go to eat, and then the GPS will take us to any of them that we want to go. Nice, responsive, fluid, much like a smartphone, as you can see, just pinch and zoom. So we've got navigation, phone, climate, all done on there, and audio. Audio has the ability to use Bluetooth and everything too. This vehicle also uses Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can plug in your phone depending on what you've got, and your phone will pretty much become the screen. It's a great system, worth having a wee look up. Controls all located down here, reversing camera and heated front seats as well. 2 more 12 volts, 2 USBs. We've got our automatic park assist, so this vehicle will parallel park itself. So I'll just show that to you again. Also got our 4-wheel drive low box, factory rear diff lock, traction control, hill descent control, and then our terrain management controls. So we've got normal, this one is snow, mud and grass. We then have sand, and finally is our rock crawler mode, but 4x4 low is required for that. So if this vehicle is of any interest to you, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 0800 by Ford. If you'd like to come and view this vehicle in person, Team Hutchinson Ford, we're located at 186 Churm Street in the central city of Christchurch.